Hi, good morning. My name is Amber Fulmer. I'm the sales director of OnRobot. Thank you for your interest in OnRobot and learning more about all of the tools that we have to offer you today. So OnRobot is that one-stop shop for any of your collaborative or light industrial applications. We're really looking to support you no matter what the robot brand is that you may have. As you can see here, we have a lot of different flanges for many different robot types that can help you provide a solution for whatever your application may be. So just to give you a little bit of introduction to us, we have this one system, zero complexity, that all starts with our quick changer. So as you can see, we have a single quick changer here. We also have a dual quick changer that you can easily mount to the robot, and you can actually put two tools at the same time into this quick changer. The technology behind this is that it's very easy to use. So you're able to mount it onto the robot, and you are running a cable from the quick changer to either the end of the arm of the robot, depending on what robot you may be using, or also you could run a cable to the robot controller. But the idea and the concept behind this is that you have a single cable that is mounted permanently to the end of the arm of the robot, where you can easily do some quick changers, and you're able to mount to different grippers very easily and effectively. So if you need a 3-finger gripper, and then maybe say you need to go into a 2-finger gripper, you're able to mount and change over jobs very, very quickly and efficiently in a matter of seconds, not like a matter of minutes or even 45 minutes to an hour for changeovers. So this concept is very easy. You've got a single cable, and then because it's permanently mounted to that robot, you're never going to have any issues with cable management. So to go through quickly a lot of the different types of grippers that we have today, a lot of our grippers are designed to be able to use out of the box, although we do leave about 20% of every single gripper customizable. So this is our 2-finger servo gripper. We have it in a couple different sizes. What is unique to this is you can take these set screws out, you can remove these fingertips. You can also take the set screws out here, and depending on if you're trying to compensate for singularity or maybe you need to get into a tight spot, you're able to move that into 30-degree increments and then lock it down from there. So we have two sizes of the servo gripper, a 6-kilogram payload and a 2-kilogram payload. And then we also have this one, which is a 2-kilogram gripper. The difference with this is it has force torque sensing in the fingertips, and it also has a proc sensor that runs here in between the fingertips. You can still take these set screws out and customize them, but you're able to identify parts coming down a conveyor. If you need to do any kind of pick or place where you need to have a force sensing capability to it, you can do that. So quickly moving on, so we have any kinds of ratings. We've got IP54 ratings, IP67 ratings, we have FDA certifications, and we even have clean room class 5 certifications. So depending on what your application is, we have a tool appropriate for you. So moving on to our 3-finger gripper. This is IP67 rated, great for machine tending applications. Anything where you need that 3rd fingertip to get a real solid grip on a part. These can be customized. You can actually customize the arms as well. You can move them out as is. You can go to 150 millimeters diameter, but you can always customize it. This is our newest release. This is our MG10 magnetic gripper. This is great for press braking applications, stacking, destacking. It comes with protective pads. It also has shoes on it if you're picking up cylindrical items. IP67 rated as well. 2FG7, this is our 2-finger parallel gripper. Again, IP67 rated, but this is also clean room class 5 certified. So if you've got pharmaceutical applications or applications that are in a cleaner environment, this is a great solution for you. Again, you can do an ID or an OD pick, put these set screws out, you can flip them around, you can customize your fingertips if needed. FDA certification for food and beverage primarily, but also for areas where you may struggle with vacuum. This could be a great solution. This is FDA certified. It comes with a variety of skirts. You can basically just take these skirts out, swap them out, and then wash them down. Moving on to our vacuum grippers, we actually have 3 sizes. We have one that has already tension mounted arms that you can maneuver and maneuver them into whatever fixed location that you need it to be. It is dual channel, so you can see we've got an A and a B, so you can isolate them and run them independent of one another, or you can lock them together and run as a single vacuum unit. This is great for palletizing type applications, or something where you've got a set set box or something that you know that you're going to move consistently for a long period of time. This one's rated for 15 kilograms, so is this one. Again, this one has an A side and a B side. This gives you a little bit more customization. So as you can see, there's a 3D printed arm. We're running an airline out to where we need to put the cup. This one has an extension where we're picking up bags, foils, things like that. The whole idea and concept behind this one is that you can, add this plate if you need a different configuration of where the ports are, but you can completely customize it to whatever your need may be. So maybe you need to go out longer, maybe you need to go out shorter, a little bit deeper, but it's smaller, it can fit on a smaller robot, can get into tighter spots, very flexible and easily customizable. And then our last vacuum gripper that we have is our VGP20. So this one is rated for 20 kilograms, primarily for palletizing applications. Works great with cardboard and some corrugated. You can see that there are 4 different channels here, so you can run them. You can pick up parts, one at a time if you need to, or you can, same way as this one, you can completely customize it if you need to go out a little bit bigger. But this one is rated for 20 kilograms. Okay, so we also have a force torque sensor. Force torque sensor can be added as an accessory. Same thing with our eyes. They can accessorize existing products. They can go right in line with the robot, just to add different features. So if you need a little bit of vision, or if you need force torque sensing, we have that capability. So moving on to processing equipment, we do have a couple products here. This is our screwdriver. Screwdriver is rated for 5 Newton meters of torque, so primarily for like electronics or plastics, light industrial type screwdriving applications. The way it adheres is we have a bowl feeder that you can that orients the screws. It magnetically picks up the screws. Anything that's 35 millimeters or below, it will take up into this embedded Z axis and make it completely collaborative and safe. So the robot will take it, move it to wherever it needs to, insert the screw, and do the screw driving activity. Again, all of our tools have the tool side quick changer to mount with our quick changer. We also have this bit kit that comes. We have both metric and imperial. So this has all the different sizes depending on the type of screw. Basically, this magnetically adheres to the screwdriver and enables you to pick up a variety of screws. So, and then we also have our sander. Our sander is actually mounted on a robot at the moment. But the sander, all of our, whether it be our vacuum grippers or our sanding unit, everything that we have does not require compressed air. So that is the value of having an electric gripper. It's very quiet. That one is an industrial sander. It can go anywhere from 1,000 RPMs to 10,000 RPMs. Even at maximum 10,000 RPMs, it's only going to be about 68 decibel levels. So very quiet. So one of the things I wanted to say, and just to kind of wrap things up, is that oh well. So I wanted to just wrap things up and just say, no matter what the application is that you may have, hopefully you see we have a solution for you. Please contact your local rep at Axis, New Jersey, and we'll be happy to have a further discussion with you. Thank you. Have a great day.